How to set up MSI Afterburner with on-screen display. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the MSI Afterburner on-screen display on your Windows PC. It's a simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the MSI Afterburner and the interface may look slightly different depending on your UI settings. Now, click on the gear icon to access the properties menu, and once you do that, simply navigate to the monitoring tab and from there scroll down and enable the show on screen display. And here you can also choose to monitor GPU and CPU usage by displaying the temperatures in the system tray. And if you don't see the monitoring option, you may need to reinstall MSI Afterburner, and during installation, ensure that RivaTuner statistics service is selected, and as it is required for the on-screen display to work. Now next, open the on-screen display layout settings by clicking on the menu icon in the monitoring tab, and from here you can choose a preset or manually adjust settings like text, color, size and other display option. And once you have made your changes, you can simply close this window. Now under active hardware monitoring graphs, you will find a list of available metrics such as GPU temperature, CPU usage and voltage levels. So uncheck any graphs that you don't want to track and apply your changes, and you are all set. The on-screen display should now appear the next time you launch a full-screen application on your PC. And if you run into any issue, feel free to drop a comment below. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.